But how little is 10 handles with one contract and $2,500 in 3 weeks? But how less can you go below that? One contract, 10 handles. What are you doing, trade 5 handles? I'm not saying you can, but to me, that's a little extreme. I think 10 handles is the minimum you should reach for. Not to say you can't have a algorithm that runs 5 handles, because you can get into a trade, put a 5 handle limit order on it, and just static price that all day long. You're gonna have a lot of commission costs, but you can make money with that. To me, it doesn't make any sense to do it. But I could sit there all day long, and do 10 handles up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down in the real run and against the run. But is that a good use of my time? No. When you start trading, you want to start with a very slow, controlled approach. And I think 10 handles, if you can't follow the approach to trying to do that for 3 months. What? 3 months? Hey, come on. 3 months ICT, that's too much. No, it ain't. Because if you can't submit yourself to 3 months doing the same thing over and over and over again, you don't have discipline. And if you don't, you'll forge it by doing it. You'll create discipline in yourself. It will keep you from over leveraging because you can only do one contract. It'll keep you from worrying about where to place your stop loss and when to move it and when to take partials. All that stuff is completely removed from it. You have the barest of essentials. My son was given no fat. It's as lean